you hanging by the club again. You wore that dress that made you stand out from your friends. I took a moment to hesitate. You had me feeling more than I could comprehend. I wanna tell you you're beautiful. These guys ain't nothing when they're next to you. Oh girl, I know that this sounds so typical, but I can love you when I know it's not enough. What you say, babe? 'Cause you drive me crazy. I know you don't wanna be lonely, but you amaze me.
没有啊，
Then we headed to my place. Took your dress off and you whispered in my ear. Boy, you make me feel beautiful. With you I know there's nothing left to fear. Something more we couldn't get enough. My eyes were tight, I was in love. I held you close to me. Oh girl, there ain't nobody. Then we headed to my place. Took your dress off and you whispered in my ear. Boy, you make me feel beautiful. With you I know there's nothing left to fear. Something more we couldn't get enough. My eyes were tight, I was in love. I held you close to me. Oh girl, there ain't nobody. Saw you hanging by the club again. You wore that dress that made you stand out from your friends. I took a moment to
好，国产淘宝家庭买家具还在犹豫不决吗？新手小白买家具，如果不想一人宰割，你可以线上直接找杨师傅免费咨询，从直到品牌、照片、影片、房产等可以看到产品资讯，就能提供专业建议给您。欢迎样的沙发、大门、琉璃台、提缸、马桶、不管是进口品牌、国产品牌、东南亚品牌、家庭淘宝后，还是想要直接找RI提供厂定制，不问材质、使用方式、实用性，还是要询问如何后续保养维修，品牌是否有保护、店家。家具小白免费线上咨询，也能协助进口国产甚至工厂购买。私讯本专或 Line 找杨师傅。